Hey guys, your girl Cayce back with another makeup tutorial, and tonight I'm going to the Sphere to see No Doubt. And of course I had to do my best Gwen Stefani tribute makeup. So if you want to learn to do something like this, go ahead and stick around because we're going to be doing it right and now. Hi. I'm in a bad mood and probably not a great time to film right now. Oh, I need my I had a rough day at work. I'm fine. Did a good job. Just severely annoyed. And I'm still annoyed. And it's like 6 o'clock. So, have you ever had one of those days where you're just in a bad mood and you're frustrated? And when I get frustrated, I cry and it sucks because that's not intimidating. Not at all. All right, so tonight, from my intro, you probably know, but tonight I'm going to No Doubt with my CSE Wooin, or Lauren as the common folk call her, but I call her Wooin. Because when I was little, I couldn't say her name, so I called her Wooin. So I want to do a Gwen Stefani inspired look tonight. And I was thinking about like whitening up my eyebrows and stuff, but I don't know if I want to go that far. But I'm definitely going to do some blues and some pastels. And I got this new palette, Mint Candy by You Can Be. And I should have opened it. I don't have too much time to get ready, so I need to get moving. So I was gonna unbox this. Yeah, isn't that a pretty package? That's pretty packaging, man. It's cute. And then I got this. It came in a bunch, and I got this other one, Fruit Punch. And this one's like the bright neon colors, and this one's like the nice pastels. But yeah, can anyone relate to just having a crappy day at work? And again, like nothing that serious happened. It was just more of an annoyance. And I had this presentation that I gave, and some of the people on the team to do the presentation just dropped the ball, and it was just, I had to kind of call people out on the call, which I don't really like to do. But it happens. Alright, so we have this. Looks nice. Had good reviews. I got it from Amazon. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description for you guys if you want to try it out. But yeah, when I think of like 90s, early 2000s, I think Frosty. So we will see what's in there. What comes with this? Thank you. You're welcome. Mint candy, that's pretty. It's pretty sturdy, and I think I got the pair for like, I think like $10 or $15. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so I got some options here. Okay, so I want to do white base. So this is my milk crayon. So yeah, so after that meeting, I had my lunch, and I have been going back to the gym. So I texted Freddie, and I'm like, I'm just gonna go lift something super heavy, and I'm gonna train to, I'm not going to, but I could kick a grown man through drywall if I really, really wanted to. And yeah, that's what I'm training for. So I did deadlifts today. I wore myself out, came home after my workout and worked a little bit more and calmed down a bit, but obviously you can see I'm still a little bugged, but it's okay. Okay, it's nice and tacky. Get my little fluffer nutter. Get my shadow switch. Okay, so I think there's some good options on here. I'm gonna start with this like banana. It reminds me of that banana powder, that setting powder, which that color does not work for my skin. Too yellow. Okay, that's good. Okay, should we just do blue? Like, I really want frosty. There is like a pretty, this is like the only glitter one in here. Everything else looks matte. That's interesting. Okay, so I don't even know what I'm wearing. I'm leaning towards this one, or maybe a combo. Let's try this. This has a little sparkle to it. Pigment looks good. Let's look and see how it looks on the skin. It's not bad. You can see it. I mean, it's pastel, so I'm sure if I didn't have the white base, you would not really be able to see it on my skin. But I think, you know, the white base is sticky and helps the pigment stay, so it's pretty good. I mean, for the price, it's not bad. I should look up how much it is. It's definitely under 20 bucks for both of them. And I do have another You Can Be palette too that I think I've used on this channel. Yeah, so I want to do like the rhinestone look that she always did, like a little center one and then up on the eyebrows. Kind of want to do that. And then I want to do my hair all cool and, you know, very Gwen. 90s Gwen. Oh, so Freddie surprised me with Boys Like Girls. He got me a meet and greet. Surprised me with that. And then it was at Brooklyn Bowl. So he got a lane and at Brooklyn Bowl. And like it's set up how like the stage is, oh my gosh, stage is right here. And then there's like the, you know, the floor where the GA goes. And then on the side, that's where all of the lanes are going like horizontal. And so you're kind of up a little bit, so you're able to see everything. And we were really close, which was really cool. So yeah, he surprised me with that. That was really nice. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna go in with this blue and do it on the lid just to give it a little bit of depth. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so he surprised me with that for my birthday. My birthday is next week. And then his birthday's on Monday. And mine is on Wednesday. So we always do like a celebration every year. My mother-in-law's coming into town. So we'll get a few date nights, which is great. And then our big birthday combined celebration is at EDC this year. I'm very excited. So I think that's all I really want to do. I should probably do some eyeliner and curl my eyelashes. But maybe we'll do that after we clean it up and do the foundation and stuff. So let me clean it up. But yeah, that blue is really bright. I love that. Should we put glitter? You know, I have this still, and I think I want to try to do a little highlight on like my brow bone. I have that cool, oh my gosh, Cayce. This one right here, the cool tone one. It's the highlighter. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference. Well, it's a little shiny. Kind of see it. Is it a Netflix movie, the Hot Frosty movie? One of my favorite YouTubers, Jamie French, did a review of it, and I just watched it the other day. It was pretty funny. If you like funny movie reviews, you should definitely check out Jamie. I will link her above. I'm gonna check her out. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean it up. It's not as frosty as I want, but it'll do. Maybe we'll add a little bit more on top once we're done. Okay, so now let's do foundation. Excuse me. Jeez, Casey. Let's do a quick spritz of vitamin C. Did I tell you guys that I did an entire shoot of like drugstore makeup and I deleted it for some reason? I was so mad. So mad. Okay, let's try to use up more of this. I think it's almost... Waste not, want not. Oh, let's add a little concealer to it and see if that helps. Boop, boop, boop. I'm gonna contour anyways. It's definitely, if you have a chance, if you're ever in Vegas, I would definitely recommend doing some kind of experience at the Sphere because you are not prepared. Whatever you've heard and whatever you've seen, you are not prepared. Okay, and this is Shea Glam blush. Because I'm not staying totally true. I don't have the super thin eyebrows, but I think Gwen will forgive me. Okay, that's cute. Okay, so let's do eyebrows. Oh, they're looking a little dark and thick today. Speaking of, I'm trying to grow my butt. Freddie would say that I have a good butt, but I like, you know, with having kids and stuff, I used to lift before kids and was in pretty good shape. And, you know, with having kids and stuff, you know, things get a little saggy and a little out of place, which is beautiful in itself, right? But I don't think we're having any more kids, so it's time for Mama to, you know, get healthy again. But anyways, my butt has been flat and I hate it. I hate having a flat butt. And I'm trying to be nice to myself, right? Like, not necessarily for how it looks, but how it feels. Sitting somewhere, I don't have enough cushion and it freaking hurts. You know where I've noticed it the most is when I get into the bathtub. I can feel my butt bones. That doesn't feel good. Oh, I'm gonna be nice and comfy. I'm gonna be able to sit and be comfortable. Not have a bony butt. No thanks. So yeah, I'm trying to grow it. It's actually grown quite a bit in the last few months. So I'm excited. I know, you're just so happy for me. Congratulations, Casey. Anyways, okay, so let's do a little bit of eyeliner and then we'll put our eyelashes on. Okay, so do I want to do a wing or do I want to just line it? This one's a little fluffed over here. I don't like that. Yeah, maybe I'll wing it. Okay, we'll wing it. Okay. Cool, and now we'll put on our lashes. Ooh, what lashes do I want to do? Do I want to do big and fluffs? Big fluffers? We should curl these first. So these are wispy Calla. So these are so pretty. See these? Probably get them at any craft store. I got these ones on Amazon. Okay. One. What do you guys think? Is it Gwen enough? Okay. And then last but not least, the lip. And I think I want to do something fun for this too. I bought black lip liner by LA Colors, and I really like LA Colors. I think they're really good quality for the price. This was 98 cents. Oh, you know what I do have? I have this new cool lip liner thing that I also bought. I still have the box too, so I can unbox it for you. So NYX Professional Makeup Lip Lingerie. It's a lip liner stain. I thought it was really cool looking. And this one is in Wild Side. It's like this dark. So it's like an eyeliner like marker, but for your lips. So let's So I have used this, and it's kind of hard to, it like sets really fast, so you have to be like pretty careful. Yeah, and if you do that with your lips, make sure they line up, because then you'll double line up. Okay. It's pretty good. Oh, it's nice. Like I think it was like $2 or $3. Like it wasn't that expensive. Okay, and then this is my blue cream lip stain by Sephora, and it's in color Made in Luxembourg. No, it's 143. I don't know if it has. Does it have a color? Maybe not. And I've worn this before too. I'd say that's pretty 90s. Okay. I don't have much time, so sorry for the rush, guys. Oh, I think that turned out really cute. I think it's definitely Gwen. I think Gwen would approve. Oh, cute. Oh, should we set it a little bit? This is a little Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, I keep doing it. There we go. Oh, we didn't do underneath. Oh no. Okay. Let's do blue, of course. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with that frosty blue color again. Pretty. That's the finished look, guys. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial for my No Doubt tickets. I'll post some stuff on my socials if you want to see the concert, and thanks for spending some time with me, guys, and calming me down and getting me in a better mood. Really appreciate it. Well, what do we say? Be kind to yourself, be kind to one another, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because it really helps me out. All right, love you guys. Bye bye.